effortless ways to make healthy eating fun for kids. Unlock proven tips and tricks on Pro Health Life. Welcome to Pro Health Life, where we make healthy living simple and fun. Are you tired of mealtime battles with your kids over eating their veggies? Today, we're diving into how you can turn those struggles into victories, so stick around. First off, did you know that it takes about 10-15 tries for a child to accept a new food? Patience is key. Introduce new foods slowly and don't give up if they're initially rejected. Transform persistence into a game of discovery. Getting your kids involved in meal preparation can work wonders. Let them pick veggies at the grocery store or have them help with simple tasks in the kitchen. When kids feel involved, they're more likely to eat what they've made. Presentation matters more than you think. Crafting fun shapes or faces with foods can turn mealtime into a playful experience. Ever seen a broccoli forest? Or a smiley face made from fruits? Let creativity lead the way. Here's a funny fact. Did you know that some kids might eat more veggies if they think it gives them superpowers? Yes, presenting carrots as eye lasers or spinach as muscle boosters can make them irresistible. Sneaking vegetables into their favorite dishes is an age-old trick with a modern twist. Blend them into smoothies or mix them into pasta sauces. They'll never know they're eating the good stuff while enjoying their favorite flavors. Don't underestimate the power of a good dip. Sometimes all it takes is some tasty hummus or a yogurt-based dip to get those veggies vanishing. Experiment with different flavors to find your child's favorite. Lead by example. Kids are always watching, and if they see you enjoying healthy foods, they're more likely to follow suit. Make meals a family affair where everyone eats the same healthy options. Make healthy foods accessible. Keep fruits and veggies within easy reach and ready to eat. A colorful fruit bowl or pre-cut veggies in the fridge can encourage spontaneous healthy snacking. Remember, it's all about balance. It's okay to indulge in less healthy options occasionally. Teaching your kids about moderation helps them develop a healthy relationship with all foods. Encourage your kids to express their preferences. It's important they feel their opinions matter. If they really dislike something, find healthy alternatives they enjoy. This empowers them to make choices and feel involved. Celebrate small victories. If your child tries a new vegetable, make a big deal out of it. Positive reinforcement goes a long way in encouraging healthy eating habits. Education is key. Teach them why certain foods are beneficial. Knowing that oranges boost their immune system or that fish makes their brain sharper can be very motivating. Lastly, remember, you're not alone in this journey. Here at Pro Health Life, we're committed to providing you with the support and advice you need to make healthy living a joyful experience for your whole family. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more content. Together, we can make healthy eating a breeze.